What is a dividend? A dividend is a payment that a company gives to its shareholders from its profits. In simple words, a dividend is money you receive for owning shares in a company. When a company makes a profit, it can choose to share a part of that profit with its investors. This shared money is called a dividend. For example, if you own shares in a company, you may receive a dividend every few months. This means the company is paying you a portion of its earnings. Dividends are usually paid quarterly every 3 months, sometimes yearly or half-yearly. They can be given in different forms. Cash payments, additional shares, stock dividends. For example, the company paid a dividend to its investors. This means investors received money from the company's profits. Not all companies pay dividends. Some companies reinvest their profits back into the business instead. Here are some more example sentences. He earns income through dividends. The company increased its dividend this year. Investors look for stocks with good dividends. Some related terms include shares, profits, and investing. In simple terms, a dividend is money paid to shareholders from a company's profit. Easy way to remember. Dividend means earning money from the shares you own.